baphila ngawe ufuna ukubona amandebele phumelela khulukhulu ekorweni yozokusithabisa.
Akwande Mzansi, bizo lami nginguThando Mahlangu, indebele elihlakaniphileko nelifundileko. Namhlanje angikhambi ngedwa ke kodwa ngihlala ngikhamba noNqobile Masuku. Nqobile Masuku yeche.
Yeche Thando Mahlangu. Lami ibizo nginqobile ngwakamasuku unaphenyana ozithobileko yazi. Sirikhodela estudio sentwane focus Thando. Oreke kokezini. Umkhathi ophuma number 1. Uqeba yonke imkhathi ekhona.
Jesa.
Kulapho sikhona singakwethu man.
Bakwethu ningakhohlwa ke bonyana sigadangisela eGood Life Studios. Nasimniningwana ngokuzeleko na ufuna ukufana nathi, na ufuna ukuzala, na ufuna ukugadangisa amaphimbo, ivoice over, na ufuna ukwenza ama-advert. Sikhona istudio se-FM ngale, lesi ngese-podcast, na ufuna ukuzisungulela yakhe podcast, nasi studio. Skhwatha. Jesa.
Exactly. Yazi ngikhumbule enye ingoma apha, so angazi wena uyayazi.
Ithi
Simoni kaJona uyangithandana. Yebo Nkosi yami ngiyakuthanda. Yes.
ngiyayazi ngesondweni.
Okay.
Bakwethu namhlanje sikhamba netsitsirimba, sikhamba nekutana ke.
Ngadlanga.
Le sikhamba nengadla ngendlela namasuka ayibeka ngakhona.
Yey.
Uqinisile. Akunalitho engizolichugulula lapha.
Jongo.
Ngifuna net ngendlela engakhona bakwethu. Ithi My name is Themba Mahlangu, playwright, actor, director and television writer. Nasi la ithoma khona, where it begins. I was born in 1987, Pretoria, but I didn't grow up there. My mother was a domestic worker in Pretoria East Lane. My father worked as a construction. They lived together in a room at her employer's house. The room that came with the job. When I was 4 or 5, that room had no space for a child. So I was sent back home. Back to Mpumalanga. Back to my grandmother's house, where my siblings, my sister, Togo, and my brother Savis would raise me. My parents came when they could, fortnightly, sometimes monthly. I attended Kutalani Primary, Etwaleni Junior Secondary, and Mzimhlope Senior Secondary. But long before any teacher noticed me, my brother Savis had already changed me. He was a reader, a writer. The first time I saw someone filling a journal with the story of their own life, I was fascinated. I started my own journal the next week. I was a child, and already I knew I was a writer. Bricks.
Thando.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila Thando man.
Yo.
Ngokuthoma ke ngilochisa. Ke ngiphendule thuba. Lokhu ngilochise.
Yes.
Sokulochisa ngakuwe Thando Mahlangu.
Ngiyathokoza.
Ngilochise namasuku.
Yes.
Ngilochise kubo Recruitment.
Yes.
BA Mr Mabona. Ngilochisa abakhona ngendlini. Ngilochise nani ku YouTube, Lochani.
Akwandre.
Ngithokoza invitation, ngithokoza ukumenywa, ngicine ngifikile Good Life Studios.
No, sithokoza khulu kwamambala ukuthi kukhambe kuba nentshijile ezikwenza ukuthi ungakhona ukufika la.
Yeah.
Mara emaswapheleni ufikile, ngithokoza ukuthi ufikile. So now Bricks. Ngifuna sithome la ithoma khona.
Okay.
The whole thing. Yebo?
Yeah.
Khulilephi? Wafunda phi? Wakhuliswa ngibani? Vele umnakweni ku service.
Hey, nami phena ngilifunda ngathi maybe uyasithema likhona la mara.
Savis vele igama lakhe uSavis Richard. And then igama besimjwayele ngalo nguRichard. I mean kuSavis vele. uRichard bingele esikolweni.
Yeah.
But then sigcine sesimbiza uBraris esibakusalela kaRichard. Mara vele uSavis ligama lakhe.
Yeah. Okay. Ukhulele phi Bricks? Ufundephi? Bekunjani ufunda esikoleni? How was the experience?
So ngikhulele Tweefontein.
Yes.
Dawe ebizwa ukuthi Tweefontein H.
Yeah.
Hawu.
Ngene lapha esikoleni esibizwa ukuthi yiKhuthalani Combined Primary School. Then angicedako ngaya eDwaleni Junior Secondary bese ngaya eMzimhlophe Senior Secondary. So inkolo zami mpore ngifunde kizo lezo, and then I think ukukhula kwami bekunormal nje, it was average. Khulele Tweefontein H besidlala ibhola, mangintwana bengijoina inhlapa nobese indaba zama Champions League.
Yes.
Ngidlala ibhola uRatana.
Udlala ibhola.
Yeah, until I became a teenager, 16, 17.
Wathoma ukujola.
No, saphuma ebholweni,
Yes.
then kwaba indaba zama drama ke ngathoma uku-actor ke lapho, ngajoin a
yes.
community group, and
Yeah.
then yeah.
So uthoma uku-actor sese primary,
No, bese ampor bese ngisi
high school.
yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Ampor bese ngisi high school mangithoma uku-actor sharp.
So now i-grade 12 uyenzele kuphi?
Emzimhlophe.
Uyenze Mzimhlophe.
Yeah.
Then from lapho you apply straight to UP.
Yeah. But there was a gap year.
Isafuna
there was
ukubuza
a
lokho
gap
ukuthi
year,
azange khothatha igap year.
Nongithethe igap year ngakulochisa ubaba ngabuya, and vele futhi ngathi mangibuyako
Kunyaka muphi?
2005.
Yeah.
Oh. The same WhatsApp group. 205.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
2005. Mangibuyako uthola ukuthi igroup leyo besikiyo somara isekho.
Oh.
Kwamele ngizome enye khona ngara group ngajoina enye, but then the next year already bese ngile applyile for uyofunda evarsity.
Yes. So uye varsity awuna next isikhwame.
Yo ntwana.
Yo.
Bazari next.
No, benganayo ibhazari because azange ngiphase kuhle i-grade 12 mama kusami azange abasharp. Ngiyibona ibhazari ne-res azange ngithole due to ama marks abheka. So and then mangifika ngara uthola ukuthi asinayo nemali ukuthi mhlambe ngarent itown. Yo ndoda kwamele ukuthi ngitravel ke vele my from Pitori ukuza Tweefontein H, besahlala Tweefontein H at that time.
Yeah.
That was a struggle. Okay, man.
So travel isikhathi singanga?
Azange travel isikhathi, travel 3 months. Base bangibamba ikunzi masini ngarave. Magogo wayibona indaba travel with
Kodwa izokwenzela istory.
yeah, izongela story. Ikinga bebakhona ukuthi bengenza i-drama like esikolweni, course engenza kwi-BA drama. I-problem nge-drama ukuthi thola ama-rehearsals, ama-classes, ama-results wenza after hours.
Oh.
That means we are attend ama-class akho makumele senze umsebenzi wesi-group because size say 5:30. 5:30 so wenze hour until 6:30, and then kose ngivayo ngiyobamba ibhesi. Thole sengifike mara abastart maybe ngabo 8 ngibamba ibhesi, and then bangibamba ikunzi.
So ikunzi le bakubamba kuphi?
Bangibamba ngara ngase i-East Lane. Mangiyokhwela ibhesi kunesikole sinye bathi iCuro no.
Yeah, ngiyasibona.
Besingekho that time bekuhlathi ngara mahlathi amakhulu, so bangibamba ebusuku ngithi ngigijimela ngara
Ngijimela ibhesi.
ngigijimela ibhesi ya. After then uma wangibawela bheka emakhweni akhe la bereka khona ukuthi okay angeke ngakhona mhlawumbe uhlala la until lisingcede ngara 3 years evarsity. Khe ngibabe nenkinga amakhuwa lawa, then ngayohlala lapho ke vele for the remainder of my years evarsity bengidiploma nomagogo.
So uhlali bakubamba ikunzi then bakuhlaba 6 times.
No, that was
No.
that's a different one.
What that's the different
I
one.
think le ikunzi
bakubamba
khamba
ikunzi
yona.
enormal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's phone.
Telephone.
Yes.
And then bengaphathi next. It's just that into
Oh.
because bengiphethe incwadi, kwabona ngiphethe incwadi, and then sebusuku dimethe bathukiwe ngayi kunefence, so bathukela ukuthi mhlambe ngizobalandela, so bangicela ukuthi jumpela ngale yengiqela ngale efence le. Bathatha incwadi zami babazilahlela ngada nayo mayinto yangwarisako nabalahlela incwadi zami ngale fence, incwadi zazamocheka zonke ngapha kunizulu shuthi amano zami wonke yo bangimora yera.
So bathi yeqidrata bese bathatha nencwadi zakho bazilahlela ngawo.
Yeah, mangicede ukwenqidrata ngale khona bafuna ukubaleka ke lapho because angisanayo chance ukuthi ngabagijimisa.
Okay.
Yo.
Then that was the reason ke ukuthi yeah ngiyohlala nomagogo la bereka khona.
Okay, so uhlala nomagogo the remaining of
Yeah,
3 years.
3 years.
varsity vele.
So now, how is the university life there? How did it change from egijimiseni base nokuthi ukhwela itaxi uye local or bowalka nakhona ukuya kumagogo?
Bengikhwela itaxi. Ngagcina sengiwalka mara ekuthomeni bengikhwela itaxi because bekase Sinoville.
Oh.
Sinoville semaside ePitora North.
Yes.
So ngibamba amateksi abuya eHammanskraal or abuya eSoshanguve angibeke town, then from town eHatfield.
Yeah.
I'd say varsity it was an interesting experience because uhlangana nabantu abaningi, you know,
Yeah, that's
from
true.
different cultures. I mean, it's the first time uhlangana say namakhuwa in the same class when behavior yabo, uhlangana nama Indians and everyone. So yeah, it was that experience with them. You are here and then new experience, new environment.
Indoda vele yazi sofana nabantu laba babhalako vele laba abane experience
And i-question enginayo mina cause engqondweni nami inkonje i-room lele abawayenza on a backyard emakhweni mancancane
Yeah, i-cottage.
kuba ne-single bed nyana encane bo manager njani like cause now uyi-teenager somkhulu.
At least kumagogo beku cottage vele, complete cottage. That means kune room la balela khona, then kune bathroom and then kune kitchen ke la baphela khona. So mina bebancingisa yiki.
Oh kitchen wena much better cause thola kuyi one room kunombhede ekhoneni kune wardrobe kuba ne stove la wena kosuzincenge phasa.
Beyincinga kitchen, sponge
for 3 years. So which means
Ngana
bongavali
mjolo.
3 years mfana. Nothing.
Nothing.
Hayi nawe ikanrela kangaka nothing.
Ngasuthi yamka.
I am with nothing.
Ekandele.
Okay, yeah, sure. We're there for 3 years. Ne?
Yeah.
Ose university azanko fail. Now logu
Yo, I did, man. Because when I spent 3 years, I ended up spending 5 years.
Yo.
I feel my modules up by
5 years.
yeah, especially in my first year.
Yes.
I feel I'm watching up by. So because I'm very zanyenzi in record time.
Yes.
I had to come and redo it. I had to come and redo it.
The reason of failing was what? Focus or bongana sure ukuthi vele ufuna ungena to a space or umbereko bosomningi.
Well, I'd say number one, umsebenzi omningi.
Yeah.
Because I mean, you know, school in Pumagi, so it's not good thing like in Kumagumbi, but we don't come from Model C schools. Mafike varsity bakbalisi i-test English aptitude test. Babona ukuthi asikhosa khasirege tamani. Okay, uyakwazi ukukhuluma mara awazi ukutlola kuhle kuhle. Bakunikela i-course i-OT like English literacy. So koze uthoma nge-English literacy into leya seya-add ke kuma course akho amajulu wenzayo.
Oh, yes.
Computer uyazi bakunikela computer literacy. So zonke izinto leza-add ugcina wenza 32 yama-modules.
Yo.
So yeah, that's the reason vele yo ngafela bhayi.
Yo.
Ngafela bhayi hliziyo yami yababuhlungu la.
Mara at least wakhona ukuya kodwa upick up.
Yeah, ngakhona cause mayazi laba kwenzakalana. Umdala at the time usebenza econtractini. Umdala usebenza ePlayster. Umdala makasebenza ePlayster bebanomuphi izinto la kamakhuwa la. Ila say iskafula, piece of skafula. Okay. Fat Elias yo.
Yeah.
Karafma iphukileko bamthathanyana bamunikela. Izinto ezathola sezigcina ziningi lapha esayidini. Bekanokuba ukuthi ngimbhalele incwadi ukuthi ibhalele ikhweli incwadi ulibawe ukuthi liziboleke iveni umthweni ngikhulumile naye umthweni akanamraro mina ngizokubhadala into engifuna kuyimvumo kuphela.
Yes.
So because kune Google kunanani bengikhona ukuthatha ama logistics like online ukuthi okay ke Pitori ufika le malini ipetrol ziba malini ngilibhalele ikhweli.
Wow.
Incwadi lezi maybe ngabhala ka2 ka3 eminyakeni esi3 ikhwalela tshela umdala ukuthi yazi umntwana wakho indlela abhala ngayo ngasuthi uhlakaniphile mhlambe ngingamnikela ibhazari.
Wow.
Umdala maye like kwaba into enkulu ke vele ukuthi ngiyokuthola ibhazari na just but ngibhala nje kuphela. Ikhweli lathi kose ngilithumela ama results. Ngiyabona ama results ukuthi ayabheda. Thumelani wakade ke no grade 12 ne grade 11 ne grade 10 because at least ngipasse sharp with that bribe. Khona libheka ama result lawo lithi mina nakho uyadlala nje. Yabona la uze kuhle aqala wevarsity ukuthi ufele 19 ama modules there's no way ngizomnikela ibhazari.
Yo.
And for that ke ngayiluza ke nengalokho.
Yo.
So that's why ngithi that thing yokufela like ama module lawo in my first day you
It cost the
incostile and that.
and ufeyila so awufeyili because I understand ufeyiswa sikhuwa nama computer literacy lawo because uedelela izinto zenza
baya ezinyo i-transport angina transport yamanye ama-class because ngwamiss if in class of past 7 of 8 group angina transport so bekuzomela ukuthi ngiwaskipe so it was bekuzinto lezi eziningi vele.
well those were the challenges.
Mfethu.
Finally uyaqeda after 5 years u-attend ama auditions with Class Act.
Ufuna ukuzibona kumabona kude.
I was qualified. I mean, degree, so
exactly.
Why not?
Yeah.
You can qualify but ungabi ile abayifunako but no.
Yeah.
Sifuna lo instead of wena. Yes, siyawabona amaphepha mara.
Yeah. It does happen kuma audition.
Yes.
Yeah. So, how do you learn script writing?
Well, the thing is, script writing, I was always writing.
You were always writing?
I was always writing. It's just that at that time, bengingafika engqondweni yami ukuthi ngingabhalela i-TV, you know. Bengibhala ngoba ngiyakuthanda. Okay, ngiyakwazi ukhetha. Bengibhala, benginencwadi ezi-3. So, ngibhala intori, ama-sketches, incwadi nokuthoma. Incwadi nesi-2, bengibhala i-journal. Journal into ebizwa ngathi i-diary.
Oh,
so
yes.
everything ngiyabhala
namhlanje ngihlangane noSibongile. Leyo bengiyithanda ke ku-diary.
Incwadi esi-3 anipuri bekuncwadi yama-lyrics ngithanda i-hip hop. Sparta camp ini ngithanda ukubhala ama-lyrics lapho of quiet. So ngiyinto bengihlale ngizibhala lezo vele. Even though in my head I didn't think ngizobhalela iskandalo of ngizobhala i-TV but I was always writing.
Uqeda i-degree yakho nga-5 years AUP. How was the experience you graduate after 5 years than ukuthi uqede in record time? Kwaba njani kuwe?
Well, firstly, I say now usigaya pressure uyi-one. I think the way siphila ngakhona, or I can say the way society has shaped us, it has given us like ama-time limits. Into engaka ngesikhathi esoko kube soyiqedile, into engaka ngesikhathi esoko sebonayo. So nami ngaqeda i-degree, I mean in record time, I feel otherwise. I feel like like you do feel like maybe you are a failure, you know. But into yang or someone wangitshela amagama la ukuthi you only fail if you don't return to it. Now we level, you only fail if awuvuyi. So I think that's what encouraged me ukuthi ngisetelele ngibuyele ngiyoyiqeda vele la ngedegree yami again.
Konje uthe ubaba kho beka ku construction ne?
Yeah, umdala i-construction.
So azange kwenzeke by mistake ukuthi uzibone nawe sobereka ne-timer just because of ufuna ukuphusha isikhathi into zenzako ozifundeleko azenzeki on time?
I didn't think so. Bengafuni. It's just that mawumncane vele uzongena ngekhaya, ngidala makenza i-playstyle for instance ekhaya ngeke ayoqasha ama-labor wena ukhona.
Oh yes.
Ngoba nguye ubhicitaka lapha. So but then bangenza lokho into ezekhaya bengibona ukuthi umsebenzi lo physical labor.
Akusindro zakho.
Uzongibona. So I didn't. But bona abazali bami bebe no suggest izono zakho zijamile ikomi kakhulumi nobani yemayini yabo.
Yeah.
And then I always thought yafana ngithani really.
How kube kwenzekile ke maybe ke uwrite ukubhala lokho kungabi into oyenzako nje cabanga ukuthi ngawenzani nje ukukhambisa isikhathi ukuphila kuba sustainable?
No, the thing is I guess I knew what I was good.
Okay.
So even if angizithola umsebenzi angenzani, but I know ukuthi I'm good at writing.
Yes.
So I'm the kind of person, if I vaya ngiyakhona ukubhala story, like with anything ngakhona ukuzithathela story pass. So vane ngizibone ngizitshela ukuthi kule 6 months engisuma ngayo umsebenzi, why ngathatha 6 months le mina ngihlale ngiyi-one and come up with something that no one has ever came up with, because I can't do that.
Yes.
so that becomes my attitude now.
Ukhe wayenza i-CV wayokokota like
Ngiyakokota
jama angisakhulumeli ngapha kweze TV for kufika ku TV khe waya maybe wena Shoprite Mr Price boma restaurant just nje ukuthi
not really every job engayenza it was related to drama.
Perfect.
Yeah,
So now asibuyisela
drama
yes sokulingisa
akuna job mina ngifuna like i-side job okhe wayenza icadi besides
no athi usabamba bambili
athi ngaphandle ukuthi aprestele
it's the same thing like ngobamba say there's someone wenza i theater say educational theater
okay
corporate theater angiyoku-actor ke lapho mhlambe ngiyoba i-crew ngimi ngiyi-side job because it's still something to do with TV and film.
Yes.
So.
Okay, sure. Uyaqeda university. Uqeda nini and then bese uhlala isikhathi singangani before ama auditions we class act?
Ngahlala iminyakanyana again. Say 1 year, 2 year.
Yeah.
And into enye bengimora vye ukuba kude. Thola
wathi noqeda kwabuyela ekhaya.
Kwabuyela ekhaya. So now uthole ama audition uthole ayi2 mhlambe ngeveki.
Yes.
Kose Randburg, kose ukhamba uye isela yeSentini or eRosebank. Kose uvuke ngo4 mayubamba ibhesi. Bamba ibhesi, bamba itaxi eMarabastad after then side Jozi. Uma gogo wagcina bona ukuthi no angibiyele ngiyohlala lapha ngihlala khona at least toti bengithole umsebenzi. Then for that I think maybe it was a year yo travel nje now.
So travel ngani because uqedile esikolweni awubiri
taxi so kose
imali buya
ba umagogo na into nyino ebidina
ne
cause right through kose uba imali taxi ngiba imali kuphi kwagcina and my suburbs kuyabhora ngivuka la ekseni kuyabhora ngale kose bengitaw
yeah
langa lokho ngiyospend it-town ePitori and then manje ngiba umagogo imali yoku-town at least manje ama audition yazwakala so town bagcina sengiwalka ke ngiyawalka nge-town ngiyabuya kulapho bagcina sebazongibamba khona ikunzi
bakubamba ikunzi kwesithuku ngaphandle kwale Marabastad le
ngaphandle kwale yaseIsland.
Okay.
Yeah, but it was a real struggle like that between uthola umsebenzi noku-audition it's such a depressing phase, man.
So i-advert ye-Sony ne-Coca-Cola zivela before i-Classic auditions?
Vela before.
Was vela before?
Yeah, zavela before i-Classic auditions.
Okay. So now, wa auditionela kupha ma-Classic audition la?
State theater.
Bo se-state theater ne?
Buya bekwi-public call.
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula yes.
Ngiyakhumbula ne bayenze TV bele public call ukuthi everyone akeze state theater. And then kwathothi vela ama-art beng-actor now from eTweefontein sahlangana
abomsoja
umsoja nomjango sakhuphuka vele state theater yasifika la bebas-discourage again because abantu bebathi kuyafana i-class act bafuna umuntu oyi-1 nina nje yani 1000 lapho kube bafuna umuntu oyi-1
so discourage i-community or
community okay. Sometimes nabantu owenza nabo actor nayo
yes
so sometimes kuba ne-mentality ye-entitlement kithi ukuthi umfundi ivundla kosa sisuke le Joburg ezeMpumalanga la sekutha khona azosihlola thina we don't take initiative ukuthi asiye kibo siyozikhombisa siyoziveza silindele ukuthi bona kose beze bazosikhuphulula
and then ni auditiona noke nabomsoja there
sa auditiona soke nabomsoja ngaba nechudu ke mina bangiselecta ukuthi idlulela phambili suthi wakose siyohlala thing i-weekend yonke eBedford View eJoburg angikhumbula kuhle basathatha khona lapha e-State Theatre Friday sakhamba sohlala i-weekend yonke lapha basiphera sapractice mazithi Sunday ekuseni sayoku-auditiona phambi kwamajaji ngilene-ke ama-clip abawaveze TV.
Manje kufika phi la odecide ukubhalela uMonili i-letter?
Yeah, it's because after audition again azange basthathe mina azange bangiselect ukuthi ngiyodlala i-TV.
Yes.
of ngivele TV kulabe nababona I think
Oh.
bekubo Palens at that time yabo
Awusidumo.
Stumo was the first one. This one
Awusidumo was the
second
first.
one.
Oh, Palens Dladla no. Kwathi
Yeah.
ngibani udade lo? No ngimkhohliwe, okay.
Yeah, so after then azange bangiselect. Unfortunately, you didn't make it because ibhesi start yesibili state theater. Mangisendleleni ngibele state theater la ebhesini yo ehliziyo yami ibhlungu jo.
Usifune TV.
Not
Yeah.
ukuthi TV kuphela
Yeah.
kwabona sengigraduateile manje ngine degree but uhlala ekhaya une degree ibanga inkulumo
Uziberegele.
degree matugra kahle uhlezi nawe. There was that thing manje audition eJoburg noma nge audition encane just ukuphuma eMpumalanga uget Jozi there was so hope ukuthi ngiyenze
Yeah, well, that's true, yes.
ngenzeka bangithathe ngenzeka impilo yami change after bangasithathi kuma ku class bangangithathi mangibele emuva ngaba lento leyo ukuthi damn ngisabuyela la ngibuya khona samile ngicale phasi somile ngistruggle sokuza inkulumo lezi bevele ngizizwe
Yeah.
so ihliziyo yami yagcina ibabhlungu ngabhala iletha ukuthi ngibhalela umunye indlimi say
She was part of
yeah, she was part of the
Oh,
judges
okay, yes.
judge panel and nayo into eyangenza ukuthi futhi ngimbhalele
Yeah.
because ngathi ihlezi manje audition phambi kwabo bebahlezi so bekungumunyenli benguraplana Siphimo bekungu Team Green I think idirect
Oh yeah, ngiyamkhumbula.
and then before you audition abacala like iCV yakho uyabathumela
yes.
so nabacala yami bengibhala ukuthi vele mina ngimuntu owenza amafilimu so bayangibuza ukuthi oh wena umuntu owenza amafilimu
Yes.
but then ngwenze Mpumalanga amafilimu ngaba nokuzinyaza ukuthi ngikwenza amafilimu ngiyazama ukwenza amafilimu then
Okay.
uTeam Green futhi director wabana into leyo wathi ungasho njalo sonke siyazama nasibona senje ayekho umuntu perfect la ungazithathi njalo ukuthi awazi ukwenza lelo if you are qualified that means you're professional
Yes.
so mangise ebhesini sengibele emuva yabuya dire ukuthi yeah uqinisile no Team Green
Yes.
I'm a professional qualified that ngiyinto yangenza ukuthi ngibhale letha kumnyeni ukuthi ngimi ebengijame phambi kwenu okay azange ningithathe but ngiba unginikele i-chance ungifake u-agency yakho because ama-agency ayahlukahlukana nama-agency amanye bakhulu yakamunye
Yeah, I know it
MLA
was the
that was
biggest
the
that
best
one.
yeah.
Yes.
So ngamba ukuthi hayi man just ngiba ungayi chance leyo ungithathe ungifake u-agents yakho angifuni into eziningi mina ngizozifukuzela ukuthi ngithole umsebenzi and nangangenzela njalo into le ngizobhadala phambili nami bakhona ngizobasiza phambili ngayikhaya ngayisenda nge-email azange ayireply so I thought okay cool should akenzeke next the next week ngithola message email but it's from someone engamaziyo because bethi Paul Ralston
Yeah.
khuluma ngezone 14 ukuthi in yo I was confused
Yeah.
until angayicall
Oh ne.
sekangichazela ukuthi no uAngus Gibson uthole iletha yakho I'm like azange ngibhalelo uAngus Gibson iletha
Yeah.
then you expect no ubhalela umunyenli uyisendele uAngus uyisendele mina we look at you and we thought as much as when ufuna uku-actor thina we think you can write because
Yeah.
from iletha leya we think you are a writer and they invited me ukuthi would you come to interview. I went to the interview years on 14 then after that bathi sarunga internship okay
Yes.
bazonga intern writer and script writing and then just teach me how the writing room works and then just like that that's how I got the internship years on 14.
So this is after how long ungabereki uphethe degree?
Yo I'd say 3 years.
Yo. 3 + 5 8.
Man
Yo.
Survive njani ndoda?
I don't know man I guess it was just hope kuba nethemba something izokuvela something izokwenzeka but also as I told you ukuthi I'm a writer anything I write it so it helps me to cope better with the world and it helps me to understand the world better when I put it into writing.
Manje Bricks usoli
Yeah.
usoli Khumalo ne?
Yeah, Kesna.
Yeah, Kesna. Ni hlangana before uya kuma auditions uye university nenza because mina I remember I two-hander nibiza njalo.
Yeah.
Two-hander nayenza konomsoja. Iza nobani nihlela njani ukuthi we need to raise the whole thing ye-acting?
No, ngihlangana before Sevasit.
Yes.
So 2005 ngitshela ukuthi sathi masibuya ubobaba
Yeah.
sathola igroup ikhambile igroup
Yes.
ichabalele bekuyijoyous igroup yethu by the way
Oh, okay.
ekuthomeni besiphathela kwa-marriage course esondweni yeah so basibuyako sathola ikhambile akusana group mina ngakuhamba ngokujoyina babiza ukuthi Emmanuel.
Oh, yes.
Manje ukujoyina noSoli bekaceda ukujoyina igroup leyo.
Oh, okay.
Sazana njalo sinoSoli sibabangani because sijoyina igroup A1 C2
At the same time,
yeah, at the same time. Then from there our friendship started.
Uba ku-internships for 6 months ne ne-zone 14, how is the experience la? Ngiyiphi enye into etsha
That was your
oyifunda
first
on the
experience,
job?
ne?
Yeah, that was my first experience and cause that's the first time mina ngazi ukuthi kunento ekuthiwa i-storylining.
Yeah.
Okay, besazi ukuthi ukubhala script ikhuluma ebhikiswano yethando, but then in the industry kunento enye bathi storylining akusikhuluma ebhikiswano ubhala indaba la. So firstly ngafunda lapha ezone 14 ukuthi into le yenziwa so it's just that ba fast ngendlela basebenza ngayo la abe fast ingene indlela so beyingichiya vele isikhathi ngibona ngathi hayi khona abantu abangekho ngisibambe ispeed sabo lesi bafina kakhulu and benga understand vele for the first few weeks ukuthi how do they build a story.
Then for ngifana nami nje angazi yini storyline. Yini storyline? Kwenziwani kwa storyline? You tell the story before you write it down or wenzani?
Storyline akufana nomuntu opaki story. Uqoqa indaba ukuthi kwenzakalani nanyana istory senzakala kanjani.
Yes.
Kunokuthi ubhale i-dialogue ukuthi low tin. Uqoqa
Okay.
indaba ngesikhathi ukuthi i-prose in a prose form.
Okay.
Themba uzile good life wafika walahleka wajika wafonela uthando nawubhala into leyo you are storylining.
Wow. Oh, okay. Now I get it.
After 6 months leyo, what
Yeah.
then?
So it was unfortunate ukuthi ngafika Ampuri zone 14 so yokuphela vele.
Oh, yes.
It was the season where SABC azange i-renew. After that season yaphela zone 14 but then iBombshell Thabe yenze another series ababiza ukuthi Isibaya.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yes.
Bang invite her to be the script writer Isibaya. And then ngayobhalela but then I was still a junior script writer so bengingathola ama scripts abhayo. Nginokhola isithola script esi1 ngenyanga. But it was something and then after then ngasebenzela Ashes to Ashes then ngasebenzela Gold Diggers.
So Ashes to Ashes.
Jama ngiba ukuza no uthole i-script nge like bathi okay Themba for this season nguwe like unothi kayi 1 utsho njani seasonally or per in wabiza episode what?
Yeah, no, it's episode. It's one episode.
Or bakupha that one episode.
Yeah.
Then there's a money for that.
Yeah.
How
You
much?
buy episode and then you at the time Malin. I can't remember, but I think it was 7 to 8 scripts.
700 or 7,000.
7,000.
Wow.
So
There's man was script writing.
yeah, there is money if you are, especially if you are experienced, number
Ne.
one, and if you get a lot of scripts. Because
Yes.
if you get like 4 scripts a month, yeah, then you can make a living with that.
Yeah.
So ndoda bobhalela ma actors la Isibaya.
Yeah.
Yo.
Hey, that one was I was nervous that 'cause,
Ne.
yeah. And also
Yeah.
nabantu sebenza nabo ndoda like usebenza nabantu abane weight.
Yeah, that's true.
Paul Krutbo, Uphile Mulusi, Chisanga Kabinga. Sebenza nabantu bane reputation ebazwa ukuthi ba best and they were savela ngala so yeah there was a lot of pressure that ish. Bacabangako naye le ukuthi ndoda ubhalela abofezile ngapha.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, ke ndoda siyabonga thwala yeah so ina intimidate.
Ne.
Yeah.
So now Isibaya siyaphela na. Why ngathi ndo ukizo siyaphela? So Isibaya siyaphela uya ku Ashes to Ashes.
Yeah, actually ngiye Gold Diggers before.
Or you Gold Diggers
Yeah,
before.
phela Isibaya. Nosesomunye besebenza naye
Yes.
ku zone 14.
Yeah.
Enye into emnandi ngokusebenza once wathola chance. That's how you make networks, that's how you meet people. Catherine Muller sebenza naye ku zone 14.
Okay.
wathola enye gig as a head writer for
wow.
iGold Diggers. Then bangifonela ke Themba wenzani angenze next nozwakala kuGold Diggers kunisho
Wow.
masuya kuGold Diggers bamqoshile
Yena.
Mraro.
kwase industry jo banoqosha abantu njalo nje
Oh.
sifika lasithola a new head writer ke nasabizwa nguye thina
Yes.
masiba nomraro ukuthi hayi la
Yo.
shuthi sizoqotshwa because abantu bathanda ukusebenza nabantu ebabajwayele ku-industry.
Yeah, well, that's true.
But that head writer actually was uLoyiso Maqoma azange asicotshe
wow.
kunokuthi asicotshe wasifundisa wakhetha ukusifundisa ukuthi storylining senziwa kanjani because besingasazi that time besikwazi script writing phela ama storylining besingasazi wasifundisa uLoyiso yeye ukuthi okay step by step senza so and which he didn't have to, you know.
Exactly. Bengasithathela abantu bakhe. So now Gold Diggers, who are the actors there?
iGold Diggers
Yes.
benguzulu boy la
Yes.
Zulu boy la and then Ronald besombiza ukuthi nguRonald la ngikhohliwe
Oh, okay, yeah, ngiyamkhumbula nami just that ngikhohle isibongo sakhe.
yeah but it's such a fine actor we enjoyed it there in fact again in the writing room nje it was one of the best that we've been.
So nenzani now asithi you part of the writing team.
Yeah.
Nenzani like neba serumini.
Yeah.
Niya discussa then nomunye hlala lapha uyabhala nenzani.
So the ways hlezi ngakhona so
Yes.
sithuma ngalokho before lo ayozibhalela nalo ezibhalela kose sazi ukuthi sokubhala ini and into esazi ukuthi sibhala ini kose sihlanganise sisonke nalonga yokubhala storyline kose abe khona nasihlanganisa ukuthi story lesi sokhamba so sesihlanganisa ngama steps amakhulu.
Yes.
Ukuthi in 3 months yokwenzeka so then in 3 months kwenzeka so then wena uyi-1 uyakhamba lento leyo bathi yokwenza in 3 months we break it down into episodes now into day by day namhlanje kwenzekana but vani kuyinto esenikhulumile yonke ukuthi yapi.
Yes.
Kenzeka ukuthi uphelelwe kubha lokho ukuthi kusasa mara kungenzakalani.
Yeah, because the pressure ekhona for storylining especially mabhalela for soapy. Number 1 abantu abafuna ukubukela into ebhorako. That means whatever uyibhalako kose ngabhori kose ba entertain. Number 2 lento bayibuza ukuthi credibility. Abantu kose kholwe, you know. Nawubhala into and there are ways to do that. Mara credibility ibalekile. Number 3 into ebithiwa irrelevance. Okay, ngiyayibona uyibhalile mara kimi ibaleke ngani mina ngithina ngani kuba yini kose ngiyazi. Ukuthola ibalance into ezilezo ukuthi into lekholweke mara ibe mnandi and then ibe relevant kimi. Yeah, kulapho because idea uyaba nayo. Nasi yakhamba just like simnandi. Uyithole emnandi ayikhulweka yekho umuntu ozoyikhola le. So that becomes a challenge. How do we find that balance then?
Yes.
Oh, then cause ungumabhalani kuyakhonakala ukuthi nakuhleli nje kucocwa kuwe kube ne storyline or wena something ongabhalanga ukuthi ish indaba ayikhuluma le ngingayiberegisa de ukuthi kwazi urakhe
phambili all the time.
Really?
Yeah. The inspirations like they come like now they like ngaba macici la just wacwileko nje kuphela. Like ncamo de welo ngakhona now look at that I'm like already somebody correct and just from that idea you can come up with a story.
Okay.
And then edges to edges. Because I think edges to edges ma actors lawa aqothwa ku generations ne.
Most of them.
Yeah, but extra mara ngathola sebakhona la bangifonela befuna i-storyline and already besikhona i-story bese senzekile. Then ngaya ngabashayela ram.
Jesa. For how long, man? Yo.
Ashes azange inspire isikhathi again because mangispana i-Ashes waswe kwavela i-workshop la ye-Scandal.
Yes.
Then ngaqhubeka ne-workshop ye-Scandal. Mabangixuva ku-Scandal. Mabangithathako kwakosingilise ngale ku-Ashes.
So ku profile yakho uthi bongase aware ukuthi the whole thing is a competition le Scandal.
Yeah, no, besazi
When
ukuthi
did you
i-work
find out
show.
ukuthi actually it's a competition this one nabantu ngiphikisana nabo?
Nasesifikako the first day,
Yes.
basikhetha like sa-apply sa-apply then bakhetha 10 basitshela ukuthi okay you've been selected amongst the 10 in then saya-ke the first day basitshela zane ballpen nephepha masako la silungisela i-workshop and then khona basitshela khona ukuthi no lana sizoyisebenza so every week sizonikela into esinifundisa yona sizonikela ama-task homework
Yo.
then next week kose nibuye niyenzile then sizokhetha ukuthi niyenze njani ophume egcineni yaphuma vele elimination next week it's another task njalo so ke sathola on the first day ukuthi if you create a competition
And already bosabhalele ashes to ashes.
yeah bengisabhalele issues at the time
Okay.
yazi into engizibuza yona iwa nje ukuthi okay ku-ashes to ashes bekunomuntu ebekabhala before wena
yeah ama-right abamaningi yeah.
then wena kuze wazi i-storyline you need to wash i-ashes to ashes or you need to ukukhuluma nalaba abanye ukuthi all along benibhalani or i-storyline sendaba lesikhambe kuphi sagcina kuphi kwenzakalani
kuba nama-documents abanginikela wona
oh
so for instance every story of oyokubhala kiyo kuba nento babiza ukuthi yi-character bible explaina woke ama-character longubani kuba ne-document babiza ukuthi it's the world of the story ngiye kutshelako istory esenzela kuphi senzeka kwaNdebele senzeka ePitori senzeka kuphi ne-story nga-1 each character like i-storyline sakhe babiza ukuthi yi-arc character arc
Okay.
Thando Mahlangu uthoma umuntu nje abe muntu nje so before uthoma uklola woke ama-document lawo uba nawo that knowledge uba nayo naseluyo yokutlola ama-scripts
nabe ngizitshela ukuthi just get in there uyazi ukuthi gcine ujack mabasathi ngizokudobola bese
So manje mina nabacosha i-hectare ngisho zonke into ezikhona. Benzani?
Yes, convenience.
Yeah, ne.
Yes, convenience.
Hey, man, I'm
sometimes you
thinking.
go to the brainstorm.
Yes.
Bangichazela ukuthi okay 3 months uKharika Thando Mahlangu yaphuma so and you're like
yo
Yeah.
and then you play my team.
Man.
I keep my
hey
usually because lezo izindaba zama producer between ama producer and the actor on a channel but for Tina it's not a problem, it's not a business. Asingeni da asazi nokuthi sikhiphani la
Yes.
siyatshelwa nje thina sometimes okay nje sizaso
Yo. So now man ubuya kwaNdebele jikijiki bhalela izone 14 edges to edges gold diggers ingqondo yakho ithini uzizwa njani then man zonke indwezi
after inkulumo ezingaka
yes after ama struggle akho banjweni kunzi
I don't know, man. Just that for me now, I think I enjoy what I'm doing so much, and I love writing so much. I don't dwell on negativity. I don't dwell on negative, like on anything like that. But uphuma kwaNdebele and then get to sit on the same tables
Yes.
with your idols, man.
Exactly.
It boosted my confidence.
ne
Yeah, and it's me as a person as well. I don't know. People abaningi engikhule nabo, they would say I was very shy. You know? So I think it has helped a lot. Uthatha that shyness away. It gave me the confidence, and it gave me, I guess, the validation and the assurance that I needed that I can do this.
and then you can't do this
I'm doing it.
yay superstar
okay
Not yet.
you are
no
I'm
man
going
you are
there.
huge in competition each and every week by eliminate ningake ni 10
Yeah.
so now phakathi kwabantu abayi-10 uyasala wena
Yeah.
bakuselect bathi no we want to work with you how do you feel then ucabanga ukuthi wasaliswa yini
I don't know again.
ne
No, I don't want to say like maybe I'm better, more talented than people. I don't think I was more talented than Boyna because they were very talented people. I think I don't know ukuthi yini yangisatisfied.
Man wasala.
Mara kusala kwawasa.
Asithi kuphuma 9 talented people. So you are still doubting yourself that you are not the most talented.
And they're from KwaNdebele.
No, the problem is no matter Spana that feel.
Yes.
Yo, it's hard to feel like that ukuthi
Ne.
yo da Spana neni athi bathi Thomas Hall.
Yeah.
Now before start ndo lebo ibuza ukuthi wazi njani ukuthi khamba aphi ama story sikuphi.
Yes.
So banginikela say storyline sa 3 months esidlulileyo.
Yes.
Ndoda bemukhakha
Ngifuna ukubuza lokho ukuthi then into leyo
you have to catch up ukuthi okay story sikuphi. Yo storyline lesi bangasona jwazange isizwe ukuthi inwenga the way uThomas abhala ngakhona yo ukhona ufundela istory sise roomini sonke sibhala sonke mara nathi sifuna ukwazi ukuthi kusasa ke kwenzakalani. That's how good he is. And then when I went into that room, Thomas Hall, Nonhlanhla Similani, Mphile Mulusi, Teres Kameson, yo, it was just a bunch of talented people that. And the thing about them, they could see ukuthi I feel ngiyazinyaza nyana, you know, and they were very encouraging and supportive. Batsho ndolo icho ukuthi indoda it's not a favor ukuthi you are here.
You're the best.
Yeah. So I think it was their support as well. Eyangenza ukuthi okay, ngisehlile kancane. But it was still intimidating ngoba
Ne.
yeah, it took me a bit of a while actually to get used to it.
Yeah. Bakwethu ngakhohlwa sikadangisa Good Life Studios nasimniningwana.
Studio Sentwane Focus. Igrotman Elbereke kwekwezini. Mahasheno phumana. Yes. Basha pause. Sithi yaba.
Hey, bengilaleli kwekwezi no the last breakfast show.
Yes.
Ingoma ka Grootman no Biblos.
Yeah.
Bebetha lezi ezinye.
Unamanga.
Ume number 1 angisho panengoma bazikhetha.
Abazikhethako ziba I think 4.
Yeah, azibandra ziba nga Grootman. Lokha ziba i4 nje sezi 3.
Oh 3.
Yes.
Ayoba.
Ume number 1.
Wabela Jimnani na people.
Ayoba. Pause.
Nawukhuluma ngekwekwezi so.
Yeah.
I was listening to interview ka Baba Mfundi Vundla no Arvun.
Yes.
So now Brix Ubaba Mfundi Vundla there. He was detailing ukuthi how did he came about ne character ka Nomasondo to generation characters Ndebele. Yabo. But the most interesting thing engifikele engkhwathile kona kakhuluma ukuthi basho uyaqolisa esichabeni samaNdebele ukuthi isindebele susifake nje usifake emuva after 32 years yabona because uthena kaveza kwathi uthanda uDr Esther Mahlangu that's why character leya I rounder ngestory saka Dr Esther Mahlangu the paintings njalo umuntu ogwalako yabo so mara wathi uyaqolisa ukuthi
uyaqolisa lengathi
emuva and usinikele opportunity move so now sinomhloli ophuma phambili njengawe kodwana sisichaba samaNdebele asina next on television whether it's private or commercial or PBS or public broadcaster njenge SABC or your Mnet Mzansi Magic we don't have anything there kuzanjani. What do you think is a challenge?
I think you've just answered your question.
How?
Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said sinabatloli abafana nami.
Yes.
That's the question. Umtlolo ufana nami ufike nini TV?
Ne?
And before umtlolo ufana nami as TV, ubani bebakhona abanye abatloli? Because unfortunately the truth is that you need people in those spaces.
Yeah, that's
Exactly.
true.
Not just kuma social media kuphela in those offices, in those boardrooms, the producers, we need to be producers, we need to take it upon ourselves. I went to Iskandal and then it didn't take long, we introduced the character ka Mahlangu because already unalindebele in the room that can propose that put in a sense in store. So to answer your question, that's what we need to get amandebele in spaces, in those spaces, a generation kuskim sam kuphi sibaphosele, but also into kose siphushe khulu asiphusheni ukuthi sibe nabavezi bamandebele because ngibo ebazokusa ama-proposal.
Yeah, well, that's true.
So mina ukuphendula umbuzo wakho, I don't even feel like it's something mhlambe wrong. It's simply something engakafiki isikhathi sakhona because abekho abantu abayiphuchako or bebangekho abantu ebayiphuchako. But now sikhona, so we don't have to sibona ngathi siqale ngilihlelele ukuthi why bengenzeki, asithini asiyenzeni over asithini siyenza njani. And also encourage nabanye kungabe nguThemba kuphela, you know. Uvusnanasi is one of the best writers. Also, we have to get them into TV spaces. Abojomo Mthweni, naboLindiwe Mahlangu.
Yes.
Abatlole i-TV bangatloli nokwanza kuphela.
Bangatloli
Because
radio.
yeah, those are the people abazokuza nama ideas we telenovela or for series. So I think if pusher and we encourage them, then kuzokuvuleka eventually.
You're very much correct. So tell me, Bricks. Uyangena kuScandal 2015.
Yeah.
Like you said now, ukuthi sesine character kaMahlangu.
Yeah.
Siba noKhari.
Yeah.
Siba nomntwana olindebele kuScandal. Then how did you discover Umdala?
Umdala.
Yes, so James
Tall.
Joe, that's an interesting one again.
Ne.
Because firstly, Nje, you know, James, that was not in the Ndebele character.
Ne.
Like on the character brief.
Yes.
Because I was doing the storyline, so introduction
Yes.
into the story. Besifuna someone ozongimecha ilingo yakantlamulo. Intlamulo uyavaya. Unokhuluma nami ngilahleki ngifuna ama subtitles. Kwenzakalani isodra. But we wanted someone who can measure that lingo.
Yes.
And the challenge yakamdala, it was because number one, besifuna ngumdala vele igama lakhe, but besingafuna someone omkhulu.
Oh, ne.
Besifuna someone omkhulu kwintlamulo, mara angabi mkhulu in terms of age. Umdala is imdala because of the knowledge in the street hierarchy. Someone who has ama connections, una someone in the police force, una someone in the judiciary, una someone kuphi. So umdala in that level ukuthi ama connections akhe. But because angabi mdala, besifuna ngathi uba nepandla nyana, yabo, so that igama lakamdala lifuna lapho.
Okay.
So the challenge was that not that bebangatholi actor ekwazi uku-actor, bebangakhona ukuthola ifitha walk ama description la. Kani at a time bengiceda ukubukela uJames vele.
Estate.
Ethembisa. Adlala eThembisa Theatre, adlala enye i-two-hander. The tragedy of Samuel Omunya.
Samuel
Masai Sipuro. Yeah, it's one of the best. Like it's a dope two-hander. Hey, man, ngimbona da. And ngiyambona ukuthi hayi man, character ngamfanele.
So invite leader, how do you get there?
Ini?
uJames ukumemile ukuthi uzokubukela or when you just saw something you went there?
Ungimemile.
Okay.
I think before angimema besihlangene uBranko Nkambule nawo baku-BA mabona benza bekunenye igroup ethisukile Mandebele yini kusile Mandebele.
Okay.
Yeah, basibiza nabo Thiriye kana sahlangana lapho ke suno James and it was like a reunion because bekudala ngamgcina. Jos khiphani tweet uyangitshela bekenza movie at that time no Prokhotbo.
Yes.
Mara bekayi crew. Yambuza bekunjani kusipana no Cosmo ini sacoca yavela lapho yongitshela ukuthi hey sizokwenza i-two-hander ithembisa uzobuyela ngathi ungikhumbuza wangikhumbuza ngayibuyela wangishaya James ngama ukuthi ayidlala i-character le futhi ngamfanela ngamfonela ukuthi yazi ne character inkeke bayifunako lapho eScandal man ngibona ngathi ungayibulala i-character le ngamhlanganisa no Sis Grace
Grace Mahlaba.
Yeah, Sis Grace Mahlaba i-producer wamcela wamba ukuthi amthumele i-self tape from then on ayibulala.
Yeah.
And that's how we was cast as umdala. And being with James, he decided angifake nesindebele ngoba ngiyasazi, but it was not part of character description ukuthi mina khuluma isindebele. Yeah.
No man sathokoza.
Kuyakhonakala sinabombala ngubaba iputango lenkosi those books kuyakhonakala ukuthi ningazithatha nizi.
Yeah, you can turn them into a series and turn them into a thing. It's very much possible.
Yeah.
It's just that I think uzomele khulumisane ne-publisher la.
Okay.
Ikhanyiswa kanjani, you know, because everything and sometimes kuba ngile problem i-red tape yama-publishers nanani. isikhathi kuba yeah.
Okay, bengafisa ukubona imbalang baba TV. Yes, neputango lekosi.
Putango lekosi yo yangichaza idrama lengiyengichaza. Ngileyo bethawe edromini.
Yes.
Yakananasi ne?
Yes,
that one will make a nice TV series. Nyenzelele emaplasini vele. I wish vele nanasa ngayi developer for a TV series again.
Ne.
Yeah, I think that
khuluma naye. Thetha naye. Kuhlalwe phasi kukhulunyiswana ukuthi ngenziwa njani into le. Iye.
that one could be dope.
Okay.
So, how is your relationship no Kenneth Mabena no BA mabona?
Yo, that's another thing fethu mina vane abantu bathi kwaNdebele azwani vane ngizibuza ukuthi mina shuthi akhani ngeke ngifakaze le ngispanile nawe Thando Mahlangu on many project.
Exactly.
BA mabona ngisipane nayo on many project.
True.
Kenneth Mabena ngisipane naye uThemba uHBQL.
Yes.
uAlfred.
Yes.
So mina I feel like anyone kwaNdebele ngingakhona ukusebenza naye nalaba zange ngibasebenza naye but there's no one engingathi angeke sakhona ukusebenza. So that's why mina ngingasupport umbono uthi kwaNdebele asikabambani because I can work with anyone. That means isibambene.
No, that's true.
Hayi ukuthi wena nje wedwa una this thing. Angisho kunengazi ezideke. Bese kunengazi eziflowanyana
No,
phasi.
mina ngangazi it's just to take your ego aside and take your pride aside and
Foreign call. Ku Facebook unguThemba Mahlangu Sikhosana.
Yes, Themba Mahlangu Sikhosana. So the lwenzakala umdala ubaba ukhulise nguMahlangu. So you can say uMahlangu is like a step granddad.
Okay.
That's why umdala wasebenzisa uMahlangu and then as a result nathi satsebenzisa uMahlangu kodwa nguSikhosana isibongo sami kuhlokhe lijala.
Okay.
Ungathini emntwaneni eNdebele ofuna ukungena kumkhakha lokiwo namkhana usafuna ukungena ku television like for example previous episode besino Pretty Nduli besikhuluma naye, she's an actor, she's great.
Facebook?
Yeah, aku Facebook.
Wephapha.
That's one.
Yambona umntazana lo.
Yes, that yellow bone one. The gorgeous girl. Muhle so
yes, that one, man.
Yeah,
what can you say to someone like her?
Tofuna actor Pretty.
Yeah, ngoba bansa act na lapha mara Thembuthini. Nini ndaphethe ipodlelo le black label like tagi.
You know.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, you know mina ngesingami isifiso sami manthando jo. You know in Northwest kune institution enye babiza batsho yiMabana Art Center.
Yes.
Mabana Art Center yathonywa yi-government ukuthi abantwana be-Northwest abanetshisakalo yokugwala, abanetshisakalo yokupresenter, yoku-actor, yokuvuma, sound engineering, babanikela i-platform. That platform is supported by the government and not even the provincial, national government.
Wow.
So I feel like, damn, that's what we need in Mpumalanga, man. Because with that project, we can do our own festivals. Imagine if every July or Nini, there's a big festival. So I think if we come with an initiative like that, it will encourage it. Because it's not that pretty, you know, back home act.
Yes,
they just
true.
need
That's
a production, a platform. Izoba khulisa. Ngiyophela into ezishuta ngayo le yampura.
True.
Okay.
Rotman,
Focus.
nasi siswaphelisa. What's your take about the episode and your word of the day?
Thando siyathokoza man ukuthola information efana nale. Well mina ngeepisode yanamhlanje ngicabanga ukuthi sekuvele ifihlo yokuthi kuba yini isiNdebele singekho kuma telenovel, kuma series nakwamanye nje ama platforms wakumabona kude. Ukuthi asinabantu kuma boardrooms.
That's correct.
Abasikhulumelako. Asinabantu abama producers okubavezi.
Yes.
Abakhona ukukhumbula ukuthi singathola i-character efana nale engakhuluma isiNdebele. So kuthi ukuthi ke abantwana bethu nasibathumela esikolweni kufanele sibathumele esikolweni ukuthi bayokungena emihlanganweni efana naleyo.
Exactly.
Babe ngaphakathi kobudosi phambili kobuholi obuthi nangifika esikhundleni esithileko ngikhumbule ukuthi akusisingisi kwaphela esisebenzako la.
Yes.
Kodwana nomntwana wendebele omlingisi ongekho abe ngudohotere, ongekho abe nguso-engineering, kodwana umntwana wendebele omtloli, umntwana wendebele omgwali, umntwana wendebele oyi-fashion designer ngelimi lakhe. Angangena la kumfanele ukuthi naye abe la. So i-episode namhlanje mina ngivula amehlo ngalokho phezu kwento eziningi nizikhulumileko nempendulo uBricks asivezile. Bezimfihlo ezikhulu.
Yes.
So ngamanye amagama kuthi ukuthi indaba ekhulunywa ngesindebele ifuna umuntu ozokufika lapha athi ningasikhohle isindebele.
True.
So word of the day isibisela endabeni yokuthi ilwazi liqhakathekile kodwa ilwazi elingasetshenziswako ifana nokuthi akunalitho esilenzileko.
Correct.
I-episode namhlanje siyithatha njengelwazi ekufanele silithathe solisebenzisa. Mamezwa moqina la.
Namasuku
mina engakutsho nje ukuthi ngakhohlwa ihlelo elivezwa hola still water sela amanzi ahlolweko kazi ngapha sihloliwe nathi si fresh yo mina vele like uThemba ngimaza ngenzise into basho uBetty ukhambile ukuthenga ibutter wayithola ibita kwafanele ayothenga enye ibutter ezokwe solo ngamazi imhlokho ke bengazi nokuthi ubhalela iskandal ngatshelwa nguThando but yeah manje uyingorho wena
mara ngathi umcala ngenye indlela nje.
Oh angeze ngamcala uzwile noyifunda kutheni una 39
Yo
yes
Phela
and yena vele emkhakheni lo yakazibhalisa nanyana ngingamcala ngechocolate ice cream cake ice akunando ezokwenzeka chef.
Themba
sure.
Ngithanda ukukuthokoza ngerolo oyidlalileko ekuthuthukiseni isitjhaba samaNdebele. Ekuvezeni abalingisa ngelimi lesindebele because kwathi nakungena uMahlangu I think it was 2016 or 2017 ne kuskandal
Yeah.
ekwandebele yahlanga
Yo iphomelo wayidlala kamnandi.
yo asipompele really play that role man and saba happy isitjhaba samaNdebele because Indebele on national television
Yo
we are fighting that, we've been fighting it. Bricks man sisitjhaba samaNdebele siyathokoza ngerolo oyidlalileko nerolo continue ukuyidlala ekuthuthukiseni uNdebele, ekuthuthukiseni kwaNdebele, ekuthuthukiseni umntwana eNdebele. Because sometimes angeke sikutshele ukuthi udlala yipi role or uqhakatheke kangangani, you know, but ngifuna ukutshela njenganje ukuthi irole oyidlalako siyayibona bene siyayithabela bekodwa siyayithanda sisitjhaba samaNdebele. Sihlala sikhuluma ngawe nje. That's why at some point when I said we wish you Bricks can get a platform ukukhuluma nje story sakho ukukhuluma abantu bakuzwe, you know, because people say bayabona nakhuphuka amagama eTV Themba Mahlangu but they don't know Themba Mahlangu, they've never seen Themba Mahlangu, azange bezwe anyone akhuluma ngoThemba Mahlangu, yabo. So now sithokoza ukuthi u-honor invite to come kuma story with Thando Mahlangu sazogadangisa la. So thina siyathokoza man. We really appreciate you.
Ngithokoza i-invite, ngithokoza ukungimema, ngithokoza ithuba ninyele lona.
Yes.
Ngithokoza nepatho ekudla. Sicede kunjani amagrace. Ano ngiyathokoza kamnandi sho ukuthi ngiyacabanga ukuthi nami ngizabele khe ngiqashe studio ngayo.
Yeah.
Akodwa ngithokozile kakhulu, ngithokoze ukumema Thando, ngithokoze namaNdebele man.
Ne.
Ngithokoze i-activity yabo.
Yes.
Basakela nokusekela kwabo, you know,
omkhulu
like
yes. True.
Bonke Mthweni and all of them guys, please big up. Big up and keep it up. There's a lot that we still need to do Simandebele.
True. And imene uziphethe kuhle for umuntu ohlala eJohannesburg. Osoke kwaNdebele. sesemuhle isikhumba sakho
Serious?
sihle siyachelela.
Change
don't
thank
You know?
you.
Ngibroke uthanda ngilagele phezulu ubroke again. So maybe kuyangisiza
Ne.
nakhona broke ukuthi
Yeah.
ngingayi.
Ajo utsho ukuthi vele nawubereka nama-actor lawo waqala ngenye indlela
Noma ke ama-actor
Mahle.
Sekose uzibambe uzitshela ukuthi la ngisemsebenzini angikaze lento eziningi.
Yes.
Bona bahle vele.
ne.
Yo.
Gorgeous.
So bakuthola njani kuma-socials?
Kuma-socials ngitholakala ku-Facebook Themba Mahlangu Sikhosana, uTwitter ngikho, Instagram ngikho.
Yes.
Amport vele sekuyi-Facebook.
Mari intombi zakho zibetha lapha ziyangibulala mfana ngendlela ezijuda ngayo. Itle icorrecta lewa.
Emahlathini.
Yeah, ngithi yaro Bricks. Before ukhamba Bricks.
Sure.
Sine 6-pack lapha. Ebuya kwa Paula Stillwater. Ithi siyathokoza ukuthi uze lapha. Nakumgoza ungakha kune Paula Stillwater amporehlani kwe Paula Mall from ecrossing kwaMhlanga udlula i4way leyo and then 4way landelako ehlani kwe Wax khona kungapha ngesidleni
Yes.
kune container lapho iphatha amanzi amnandi naka yabo
Paula.
Jessa
Thokozela uPaul. Akhulele
kwamambala
Kunono phezulu.
yakho uhatsheka naye
Ngithokoze kukhulu Siphola.
Jessa.
Thank you so much bafethu.
Thokoza thina.
Bakwethu sigadangisa iGood Life Studios. Now ufuna ukugadangisa lapha nasimniningwana.
Yes, lami bizo ngincobile ngokamasuku umntazana othengisa ku R573 Paula Mall inhlek neAfrica yonke sekuchoda ngengaphecheya. Ubuhlobona lapha buyatholakala kimi ku 079 084 7562.
Bakwethu it's a rap.
It's a rap.
Salute.
Yes.
Thando Mahlabu ilizwi lesintu indodana yomhlabathi sithi khubeka ungaphela amandla amandebela azophumelela siyakukholwa Thando Mahlabu umvikeli wesiko umphakamisi welimi sifundise sikhumbule sithande esingikho isintu sethu siyaphila ngawe ufuna ukubona amandebele phumelela khulu ekorweni yozokusithabisa